सीतायाः रक्षकः स्वयं भगवान श्री रामचन्द्रः आसीत्, परन्तु यदा तस्याः हरणम् अभवत् तदा तस्याः रक्षणाय नासीत् कश्चित्। सीतायाः ऑफ सीता षष्ठी विभक्ति, रक्षकः प्रोटेक्टर प्रथमा विभक्ति, स्वयं हिमसेल्फ भगवान श्री रामचन्द्रः आसीत् was, भगवान श्री रामचन्द्रः himself was Sita's protector, परंतु but यदा when तस्याः हरणं her kidnapping abhavat took place tada then tasyaah rakshanaय for her protection nasit na asit was not kashchit anything. Next sentence. द्रौपद्याः पंच पांडवाः आसन्, परन्तु यदा तस्याः चीरहरणम् अभवत् तदा तेषु कश्चिदपि तस्याः रक्षणं कर्तुं न अशक्नोत्। भगवान श्री कृष्णः तस्याः रक्षणम् अकरोत्। द्रौपद्याः ऑफ द्रौपदी, पंच पांडवाः फाइव पांडव्स, आसन वर, आसन इज द प्लूरल ऑफ आसीत, परंतु बट यदा when तस्याः चीरहरणं when her insult by declothing her abhavat took place tada then teshu among them kashchidapi none tasyaah rakshanam her protection kartum to do na ashaknot. That is, Draupadi had 5 Pandavas, but when she was subjected to insult at that time, among them none of them could protect her. Bhagwan Shri Krishna tasyaah rakshanam akrot. Tasyaah rakshanam, her protection, akarot, did. Next sentence. राज्ञाः दशरथस्य चत्वारः पुत्राः आसन्, परन्तु यदा सः प्राणान् अत्यजत् तदा तस्य पार्श्वे नासीत् कश्चित्। राज्ञाः ऑफ द किंग, दशरथस्य ऑफ दशरथ, चत्वारः पुत्राः 4 sons आसन वर, परंतु बट यदा when सह ही प्राणान breaths अत्यजत gave up, that is when he died, tada then tasya parshve near him, that is by his side, na asit was not kashchit anything or anybody. That means Raja Dashrath had 4 sons, but when he gave up his breath, when he died, there was nobody near him. Next sentence. रावणः महाशक्तिशाली आसीत् चेदपि यदा लंका अज्वलत्, यदा, it should be tada actually, tada तदा सोऽपि लङ्कायाः रक्षणं कर्तुं न अशक्नोत्. रावणः महाशक्तिशाली, very powerful, आसीत् was, chedapi. How do we get chedapi? Ched means if, api then, so ched api means even then, but because of a being a voiced consonant, ta also gets voiced, so it becomes ched api. And then this atha, half the and a joined together to become chedapi. Chedapi means even then, although mahashaktiशाली आसीत्, यदा लंका अज्वलत, yada when, ajwalat was burning, tada then, sopi means saha api, saha he, api also. So sandhi takes place, these two words join together and it becomes sopi. Lankayaha, that is of Lanka, rakshanam kartum, to do protection, na ashaknot, he could not. That means although Ravana was a very powerful king, was very powerful, yet when Lanka was burning, he could not do anything to protect it. Next sentence. वीरस्य अर्जुनस्य पुत्रः अभिमन्युः अपि यदा चक्रव्यूहे एकाकी महावीरैः सह युद्धं कृत्वा प्राणान् अत्यजत्, तदा तस्य रक्षणाय नासीत् कश्चित्. वीरस्य of the brave person, Arjunasya of Arjun, putrah son, Abhimanyu, api also, yada when, Chakravyuhe in the Chakravyuh, ekaki alone, Mahaviraihi sah with the brave soldiers or brave fighters, yuddham kritva by fighting, pranan his breaths, atyajat gave up, that is when he died, tada then, tasya rakshanay for his protection, na asit, nasit, nasit becomes sandhi, na plus asit becomes nasit, nasit kashchit, nobody was there. So when Arjun's son Abhimanyu, fighting alone with the Shurveers, with the Mahaveers, gave up his life, at that time there was nobody to protect him. Last sentence. अतः एतदेव सत्यं यत् अस्मिन् संसारे, it should not be संस्कारे, it should be संसारे, अस्मिन् संसारे स्वजनाः नाम नास्ति कश्चित्. मनुष्यस्य भाग्ये यद् लिखितमस्ति तदेव भवेत्. अतः therefore Etadev Satyam. Etadev, how does the word come? Etat means this. Ev means alone. This alone. Now what happens is, ta is unvoiced. A being a vowel is voiced because all vowels are voiced sounds. So ta also becomes voiced and becomes the. So we get etat, ev, and when they join together it becomes etadev. Satyam yat. Again, yat means that. This is the truth, that. But what happens is, yat is followed by asmin, and a is a vowel. So because of the influence of a, which is a voiced sound, vowel, and therefore a voiced sound, ta, adha ta becomes adha da. So it becomes yat asmin sansare. This phenomenon where the voicing takes place, that is, the unvoiced sound becomes voiced because of the nature of the sound which follows, is known as assimilation. This is a phenomenon called assimilation. Assimilation means modification in accordance with the nature of the following sound. So yad asmin sansare, asmin, in this, sansare, world, in this world, swajanaha nam nasti kaschit. Swajanaha means our people. Nam, that means that type of a word or that type of a concept. Nasti, nasti again is sandhi. Na, this is na plus asti becomes nasti. Asti means is. Nasti is not. Kaschit. So kaschit comes from kaha and chit. Kaha means who, and chit whatever. Kaschit, who, whatever. That means anything. So kaschit means anything. So in this world there is no such thing as swajanaha, because these swajanaha, even when they would like to protect us, help us, they may not be available at that time. That is the meaning of this passage. Manushyasya means of man. Bhagye means in his destiny. Yat likhitamasti, again yat becomes yat because la is a voiced consonant. So yat ta gets voiced and becomes yat. Yat likhitamasti. Likhitamasti, likhitam plus asti. Likhitam is written, asti is. Likhitam written, asti is. So whatever is written, tadev, similarly just as it was etadev, similarly tadev. So tat plus ev and ta gets voiced and becomes tat ev, and they join together and become tadev. Tadev bhavet. Bhavet means that is what will happen. Now, bhavishyati means will happen. Bhavet means is most likely to happen. So, bhavishyati is definite. Bhavet is, this is what is going to happen, most likely. Please watch this video, try to learn from it. And meanwhile, let me thank Mr. Pradeep Kumar Natha, who has written this passage. And if you'd like to give me your feedback or give suggestions, you can give your suggestions on my email ID sanskritize@gmail.com.